Hi everyone. So today's topic is the 6 morning habits of high performer. So in this e-learning, Elrod gives tips on how to meditate, exercise, and change the way you think in order to produce attainable results. Number one is meditation. This is the first morning ritual for success comes in the form of meditation. And meditation involves sitting comfortably in complete silence and relax. Don't clear your mind, just stay quiet. While meditating, people quietly absorb their thoughts or concentrate on the movement. It improves concentrations and focus throughout the day. Second is affirm things. Affirmation typically involves repeating words and phrases that send very specific instruction to your body and brain. Make your affirmation action oriented, not thought oriented. Craft your affirmation right to your commitment and remind yourself and focus on the action that you will take. Third is use visualization to motivate yourself. You could visualize a goal that you would like to achieve, includes all the obstacles and setbacks. Visualize also the habit you developed, how you handle difficult emotions, and how you responded to adversity. Doing this will subsequently help improve the choice and decision you make throughout the day. And the fourth is exercise. In this e-learning mentions that how exercising for just 60 seconds in the morning is enough. It can help improve your energy, promote emotional well-being, and enhance concentration and mental alertness. Fifth is reading. It a make a habit of reading and read few pages every day. What you read must be immediately actionable and applicable to your life and goal and circumstances. It allows you to develop the skills needed to advance your career and achieve your objectives. Now is the sixth is journaling. Writing down your thoughts or self-reflections, writing things that you want to accomplish that will make you closer to the goal, and it will help to reinforce what most important in your life while keeping you focused on your highest priority activities throughout the day. These 6 morning habits will lay down the foundation of for an empowering morning routine that will keep you focused and inspired throughout the day. Every single time you undertake your morning routine, you will make subtle mental shifts in how you think about your life and circumstances. These habits will take you towards a life that you may never have imagined was possible. Thank you.